Good evening, everyone. This is Mellow Black here. I'm here in Sardia. Shout out to all of you guys. Tingnan ang haba ng damit ko dito sa Sardia. See? Shout out mga sisikoy! Sisikoy Connie, sisikoy ang vlog at Conce, sisikoy Princess Freya, sisikoy Millet Blood, sisikoy Beatrice TV, sisikoy Lucy Car. Syempre, to all my loyal supporters, subscribers, shout out everyone. Rose the Melon Vlog here, Sardia United Arab Emirates. Thank you guys for always supporting me. Galap shout out everyone. Nag-walk na po guys. Sa likod na namin dumata na sasakyan. Shout out all of you guys. Sis Juliet and vlog sis. Nag-walking ako, tuloy nag-vlog. Hey. Thank you for watching. Rose the Melon Vlog here in Sardia United Arab Emirates. Good. God bless us all.